What's going on, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy. Welcome to the party rental shop. You know me, we started this party rental business not from here, but from the garage of my house about 6 years ago.
Started with a dream and a busted old van, folding chairs stacked, tents in my hands. Garage full of gear, yeah, it smelled like sweat, but I wasn't done, not just yet. Every time I made went straight back in. From rags to rentals, let the hustle begin. Garage to glory, that's my story.
Welcome to Christmas party season!
Well, it's Christmas season. I can officially say the majority of my orders are now Christmas party orders. Christmas season is here. This is what Christmas party orders look like. Yard games, arcades, stuff like that. For us. It's happening every weekend. We're prepping for it. I'm doing deliveries. Anyways, it seems my wife's doing a good job of keeping the shop nice and organized here. It's actually really clear. We cleared out the front and made it more of a pickup area. So right here, these things, they all roll away and we just stack orders on them. It's the weekend, that's why they're not full right now. All the orders are out. But we've solidified the fact that our front counter does not look like a showroom. It looks more like a pickup counter. We can't have customers coming in always looking for an experience when our experience is primarily online. Anyways, I'm sure you want to see how much we made this week, so let's go upstairs and check it out. We made $7,030 this week. According to my rental program, the rentals that are out right now are $4,700 worth of rentals. Now, you may be asking, why are those numbers different? Well, people are pre-booking stuff like crazy. Bookings are coming in every day. This is what's out this week. So right here, we can show 18 orders that are picked up right now. So 10 gray folding chairs, 2 cash boxes, 36 champagne flutes, 30 gray folding chairs, 1 popcorn machine, 12 white padded resin chairs, some appetizer plates and some glassware, a poker table, a video projector package, DJ lighting kit with some speakers, Bluetooth projector and some popcorn. A bunch of backdrop stuff here. A cocktail table package, a light up one, a photo booth. Here's one of the Christmas parties right now. They got a board game table, 2 pool tables, a pinball machine, a Tetris game foosball table, and a delivery. There's another Christmas party. It's got a Connect floor, a giant Kerplunk, and a Tetris. So it had a bunch of arcades and a photo booth there. So they have photo booth and an arcade package that's got Street Fighter, NBA Jam, Buck Hunter, Pac-Man, Wheel of Fortune with a medium delivery. And that's for that much. And then here's another one. They got a photo booth, they got a backdrop, some bistro lights, and notice their last minute planning and priority fee. Okay, that last item, that last minute planning and priority fee, I mean, if there's customers, you quote them, they don't pay their deposit, you give them reminders, you send them phone calls, and all of a sudden they're calling last minute and say, hey, I want to book this thing. Well, you know, it takes time to get these things together. So throw on a last minute priority coordinating fee. I know it sounds crazy, but I mean, you could have had this stuff prepped. Maybe your team's not there and available. We don't do it all the time, but if customers are difficult, well, you know, we got to make it worth our while. So yes, we throw on a last minute coordination fee sometimes. And this time it was only $100, but we've thrown it on as much as $500 or even a fee that'll just say, hey, like, you know, tell the customer to shoot because it's not worth our time anymore unless we blast the price up. So, you know, something to think about.
Henderson Party Rentals, Henry speaking.
Good afternoon, Henry. I'm hosting a little gathering Saturday, and I'm after something rather particular.
Name it, ma'am.
Do you have a champagne fountain shaped like the Empire State Building?
All right, it's time for phone calls. What were they phoning for this week? We had a lot of phone calls for Santa suit. I don't know what it is. I don't ever remember getting these phone calls, but I think it's been like 4 or 5 phone calls for people wanting to rent Santa suits. And it's been on separate days, so it's not the same people calling. I don't know if you're getting phone calls for Santa suits, but we're not bringing them in.
Every year it's the same. Someone returns a chair looking like it hosted a pie eating contest. And guess who gets to scrub it? Santa Claus himself. Rental company by day, holiday mascot by night, grime all the time. Come on.
So another thing, someone called for a spotlight. And people often call for spotlights. I wouldn't say every week, but every month or every 2 months, someone calls saying, hey, do you have a spotlight? And that's an inkling like, hey, you should get it. You know, as we've been gearing ourselves more towards AV items, now the spotlight is a missing area that we have in with the stage. So my wife came to me last night, she was talking to me and she said, hey, someone called for a spotlight. Do we have a spotlight? And I thought to myself for a second, well, we have a Booqable light that doesn't move much. And so I checked it out online with ChatGPT and so forth, and I said, hey, can this be used as like a spotlight? And it said, yes, definitely. So I bought a T-bar stand, and I took the Booqable light and I put it in a package with the T-bar. With the T-bar lighting stand, and now we have a spotlight. I'm filling a gap, so I made a landing page for it, and you know, that's what we do, is we fill a void. We make a landing page, we buy an item, we repurpose items that aren't moving, that all of a sudden will start moving inside a package. So this guy here is an icon profile light. So basically, but you put gobos in the middle, and it shines people's monogram lighting. And yes, I booked it out at a premium price that almost paid for it. So it's almost paid for, but it hasn't really gone out since. And I lowered the price. And I thought, you know what? If we repurpose this as a spotlight, put it onto a light stand, make a landing page for it, well, all of a sudden we have a spotlight available for rent. So that's exactly what I did. I repurposed this item, and we'll see if it starts moving as spotlight rental. So I had a customer reach out about a snow machine. Do I think it's gonna go out? Probably not. But then I started watching videos on it and realizing that this is something that actually looks really cool for weddings. So I'm gonna build some landing pages around it, and I actually have a lot more faith that it's gonna move now that I've seen these landing pages and the effects that it can do. That's another thing, you just can't market them just like that, because people are like, oh, a snow machine, until they realize it's like a cold spark machine for entrances and for people doing wedding dances and all that jazz. It's pretty cheap to buy them, so I just went out and got one, made a landing page for it. We'll see if it spikes.
What is he doing?
Try these on.
Welcome to Tech This Week. Hear the circuit speak. Step left, step right. Feel the future on its feet. We're moving with the beat. Macarena in the street. Robots and the humans harmonizing.
Welcome to Tech This Week. Today we're talking about Quo. Whoa. No, not Whoa. Quo. Yeah. Well, it's open phone, but they rebranded to Quo, and I just want to show you a little feature. I've got a whole video on what I did with the phone agent with them, but I mean, it's so much more than that. I built my delivery app with the Quo API, so I can text people that I'm delivering, but I've also covered that already. What I'm not covering is a little feature, and I want to explain how we deal with customers. If you have a rental company, and you do, because that's why you're here or you're going to start one, phone software is important because sometimes you send an email, sometimes it will go to their junk. So we always send follow-ups via email to our customers saying, hey, you know, we just sent you a quote, make sure to check your junk folder just in case it decides to land there. And you would be surprised how many times that we get the email wrong when we're jotting it down, or, you know, something goes wrong and they don't get the quote and they don't check. But if we send that email, they're like, hey, we didn't get it. And it happens all the time. And, you know, we try not to be sloppy, but human error, and this just stops it from more human error. But that's not the best part about this app. I mean, that may be the best part, but these text messages, you know, we deal with customers on text message level for certain things. Like when there's reminders to come pick up, yes, they're sent via email through our system, but then we've also got a text message email that sends like, hey, you have to be on time because our warehouse closes at this time, and if not, like, you're gonna miss your rental. And if we send that via email to customers, they're gonna miss it. And so we do send that via text message through something called snippets in Quo. So let's take a look at snippets. Okay, check this out. When a customer is running late, we just go into here, that's our snippets, and all of a sudden we have different ones that we've changed. So look at this, en route for pickup of rentals, 25 minutes. So when we're 25 minutes away, this is what it automatically does for the customers. So let's check out another snippet that we've got. So here's a good one, pickup rental reminder. So we send a reminder, it's like, oh, this is an automated message, no reply needed. So it doesn't feel like we're harassing them, it's our system actually harassing them. So pickup scheduled for 10:15 today. Please arrive before 1 p.m. because we're not waiting any longer. Okay, those snippets are pretty cool because a well-oiled ship is a functional ship, and we love to have a functional ship here because our hours are small. That's why we get away with such a small team. It's me doing pickups in the morning, deliveries in the afternoon. I don't have to have an extra guy to be at the warehouse, and I spend all that extra money on inventory, and I'm constantly buying more inventory. So cutting labor hours is still important for me on year 6 of rentals. So, I mean, look how fast we've been able to grow. And that's aggressively buying inventory by still working our butts off to within these hours and making it so we don't have to hire more people. Now, granted, I know what you're gonna say. Hiring more people, makes things easier and it makes it run more. It does, but literally, it's an ice cube outside here, and during the winter, I mean, you need to really be on your game to be able to get huge winter work out here, and we're still working on that. So we might as well be buying inventory aggressively every day, like I am. Anyways, we're supposed to be talking about Quo because this is tech this week. So one more option that I actually just figured out, I don't know how long it's been on there for, it's an AI built inside it. So say someone has a problem, check this out. AI helps you conversate with your customers on it. It's just like, remember when someone's texting something and you're like, what's the best way to say that? You go over to ChatGPT, you tell them the context of the conversation, and then you work towards to get a good answer, and then you paste it over on the phone and you text them back, kind of like email. Well, you don't have to do this anymore because AI is built into OpenPhone. Quo, not OpenPhone, Quo. I know it's a little hard if you're on OpenPhone to start calling it Quo, but you'll get used to it. All right, I don't want to use real problems here, so I'm going to create a problem. So I'm going to text my system and say, hey, I'm having trouble setting up the stage. So let's text Quo here. Let's text it, I'm having trouble setting up the stage. So we're the customer. I'm having trouble setting up the stage. And then we'll send it. And then it pops up there. I'm having trouble setting up the stage. So that's the customer sending that. And now let's type a reply. Okay, so here we're having trouble with the stage setup, so we're just gonna click into an automatic AI reply, Quo AI. And look at this, it's generating a response. I understand that setting up the stage can be challenging. How can I assist you? Yeah, that sounds good. Could you please specify what difficulties you're facing with the stage? Also good. If you need specific tools or resources for this to help with the stage setup, let me know and I'll provide the support. These are all great answers. Well, let's pick one of these. Thanks for reaching out. Please let me know how I can assist you with the stage setup. So we'll send that off there and it will come to the phone there. We'll press send on here, press send. Anyways, I think you get it. AI that we're dealing with nowadays is a tool that can enhance us. So, we don't need it to automate everything that we do, but, it can help us generate responses, use better punctuation, or deal with customers faster. So that is the generated responses from Quo, and that is tech this week. I hope you loved it. What happened there? Tech just broke. Anyways, if you're interested in Quo, check out the link in the description. Sign up through my referral link. It's the software that I use for my phone system for my party rental business. So it's good stuff.
9 holes lit up in the dark. We glow like lightning bugs. We just can't miss the mark. Keep it putting with the right hole in.
Update on mini golf, no bookings yet, but I'm not too worried. It'll come. I did do an ad campaign with no luck so far. Gonna keep figuring it out. Sometimes things just need to sit for a while before they start moving. So I'm not losing hope on the golf. Maybe they just need more eyes on them on the website throughout time. Grad might be a different story. They might not be a Christmas thing. They might be a trade show grad thing. Come here.
Oh, cool.
Come sit down on the couch and look at it.
Oh, you got your couch?
Well, part of it.
Oh, cool.
And I have it running on battery.
I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's super neat.
And it goes all different
The
colors.
furniture looks nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
It was expensive, so.
Cool. So
And-
did you figure out which piece is damaged?
Well, there's still like 10 more pieces to come. So it's just, I just got an ottoman in a corner today. And then this goes on different modes.
I like that.
So As you know, I've been buying furniture. I bought a sectional, and I bought a love seat, and I bought some coffee tables, and I bought some LED glow furniture because I'm in the pursuit to get into a little bit higher end. We're trying to, appeal to a higher customer so that we can work less and charge more and leverage the fact that we own more stuff to make whole events happen now. We're not, pining for customers. So this is the furniture that I got in so far. So I've got some couches here. I've got the infinity table flipped around there. Way up there, I've got my LED furniture right now. Anyways, if you're thinking about furniture, I'd say that you want to start with things like, red carpets and stanchions and cocktail tables, and then slowly move your way over to furniture, because furniture does not move all the time in my experience, unless you're a whole well-rounded out company that really has that clientele, which we don't. We're just trying to get that clientele. Okay, we're gonna take these guys and just put them under the chairs. Also, I kind of like doing this last week. What are the orders that have come in since we've been closed this week? Web shop orders instantly online. So you can see there's been 2 web shop orders, one for $94, one for $555. So one is a foosball table for December 19th, and the other one is a photo booth for next wedding season. So one reason to go with a event rental software that has instant online bookings. We placed 2 this weekend so far. These are the ones. Anyways, everyone, that's the vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, well then watch another one and press the like button, because YouTube just works totally differently. They don't even like vlogs anymore. So if you like these vlogs, you're my ideal watcher. And as always, you stay classy. We'll see you on the next one.